Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. This system administrator has set policies to prevent this installation. So for starters, you just have to open up your local group policy. So for that, you just open up run and type in gpedit.msc. Hit OK. Then you just have to head over to on computer configurations, head over to administrative templates, then Windows components, then you have to click on Windows installer, then you just have to modify this option, turn off the Windows installer. You just double click on it and hit on enabled, and you choose this option never and hit OK. And yeah, this should fix our problem. So if you like the video, just subscribe to my channel, and till the next video, bye.